In this video, I'm going to show you how Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Windsurf compares as AI code editors. So to get started, Cursor feels like a VS Code with AI deeply integrated. It allows you to chat with your code, refactor large sections, and fully explain complex files. It excels at whole project reasoning, offering context-aware refactoring even across multiple files. GitHub Copilot is tightly integrated into GitHub in VS Code. Its strength is in predictive autocompletion and generating functions based on natural language comments. Copilot shines for boilerplate generation, but its deeper context understanding is more limited compared to Cursor and Windsurf. Windsurf pushes context awareness even further. It understands your full code base holistically, allowing for wide scale refactors and architecture changes with a deep understanding of interconnected files. Windsurf is ideal for complex, multi developer projects. In short, Cursor balances daily AI coding, Copilot offers strong line by line assistance, and Windsurf excels at deep project wide AI reasoning. And that's how Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Windsurf compare as AI code editors.